to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create currency heart dress for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you can go to this area and pick this skirt for you. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my model, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, you can go to this menu and select glitter. And then we're going to grab the skirt. Wait, I'm going to go to the skirt section, and you can grab the skirt and color it pink. Wait, I'm going to show you the code. Wait, this one, guys. You can color it with this code color. All right, and then we're going to go to the dressing room. And I'm going to add sleeve for this dress. But wait, I forgot to make this skirt glitter. So I'm going to go back and make the skirt glitter. Okay, you can add glitter. All right, and then we're going to go to the dressing room. And I'm going to add sleeve from Madoka set. So make sure you have about the set, and I'm going to color it with the same color as before. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, but I'm going to change the color for the sleeve. I'm going to color it the same. Alright, and I think it looks good, and don't forget to make it glitter as well. I'm gonna add glitter if I can. Alright. Okay, guys, and that's all the way to create currency heart dress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!